Good afternoon, guys. Yeah, it was a fairly brief hearing today at the Daily Centre, about 20 minutes or so, but it does appear as though Pedro Martinez will be back in court again very, very soon. Now, just to hit rewind, it was right before Christmas with the school board appointed by Mayor Brandon Johnson terminated Martinez's contract without cause. Now, days later, a judge granted Martinez a temporary restraining order to keep members of the board from being involved in the teachers' contract negotiations, which have been going on now for about 10 months. So today, both parties updated the judge on where they stand. Martinez's lawyers argue it's imperative the TRO stays put. The board's attorney listing a trio of reasons why it needs to be removed. Now, those reasons for dissolution include the appointment of an arbitrator amidst a fact-finding process. The lawyer stating we're just in a different stage of the game now. The board's lawyer then saying the CPS CEO is in charge. His duties aren't being affected, and there's now a new hybrid board in place wherein two of the 7 previous board members who fired Martinez are gone. Now, ultimately, both sides agreed to another status hearing on February 13th, during which that motion to dissolve or other motions could be presented. Now, we chatted with Mr. Martinez following today's hearing, asking him about a number of things, including where the current negotiations stand. He said things are very close and ultimately does not anticipate a strike.
Again, I would ask the question, what are you going to strike about? What are you going to strike about? Now, I will say this, it is their job to get as much as they can. So for the record, and I'm really, God bless I have Bill, but for the record, that is their job. And if they can control the board and get gazillion dollars, God bless them. That is their job, right? I mean, at the end of the day, right? I may not like the way they do it, but that's their job. So that's why I tell my team, like, look, at the end, and what's our job? To make sure that we provide the community the facts, that we protect the values of the district when it's in the best interest of our children, and to make sure people know, here are the financial constraints we have. Because guess who's going to pay for it at the end? Who pays for public education in the state of Illinois? Our local taxpayers.
Now, in spite of being fired last month by the board, Martinez's contract stipulates he can stay in his position until it runs out in June. He will then still get 20 weeks of severance pay after that. The school board is set to meet tomorrow night, so we'll see what comes out of that. And again, both parties are set to be back in court on February 13th. Well, I have the Daily Centre. Bruno Tumulty, WGN News.